beat a train. I'll explain in a minute. What's going on? Welcome back. I'm not going to talk very much because I don't like the sound of my own voice. And trains are probably my biggest fear.
You say that about everything.
No, I mean really, trains are scary. Once they come up, you don't see them stop. What I was gonna say is,
Slow down.
there's a big flood happening here in the Fraser Valley. Look at that. The water's up so high.
Mom, look at that crystal brown water.
Look how high the river is. It's crazy. That dock back there is flooded too.
Fast. You fall in, you're dead.
The laces keep coming in.
Look at that. It's underwater.
Go! Stay on the
We're in
right.
a shopping cart. Look down. We're in a shopping cart. Let's go. Ready?
Are you okay, David?
The shopping cart.
With me? You are officially grounded!
David chasing Gabe. But look at the clouds. Isn't it like super cool?
That's so perfect and yet so scary.
Okay.
Nope, Dave, you are getting this.
Watch David Cohen.
Check out my new Lamborghini.
Random shopping cart. Oh shoot. Oh no. He was on sale cheap.
Run, we gotta
How much will this be? Hello, and thank you for this video that we have just done. And also, the painful fall that me and David did in the shopping cart, it was not on purpose, and I did actually hurt my hands.
So, like and subscribe for that.
Oh yeah, and don't like and subscribe to Pixel Boss, so like and subscribe to us.
Okay, just so you know, me and Pixel Boss are buds. Okay, when we just say that, we're joking. You should go subscribe to Pixel Boss. He's a good channel. Cause he's good. Right, Gabe? Cool.
Wait, before we go, I'm gonna ride that fish.